Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now if you are receiving error code that is 0x800f0831 while updating Windows 10 to version 1903 or 1909, please do the following. The first step is to run update troubleshooter. So in order to run the update troubleshooter, go to the start menu, open settings, click on settings, go to update in security, and then go to troubleshoot option, and then scroll down. Here you will find Windows Update. Click on run the troubleshooter. So let the troubleshooter run the troubleshooting. Once this is complete, restart your computer, then try to update the Windows 10 once again. If that does not work, then run these two commands. So for that, open Windows PowerShell. So in the Windows search box, just type in PowerShell. Just type in PowerShell, then you will see Windows PowerShell over here. Make a right click, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow, and then copy the path. I have provided these commands in the video description, so you can get the commands. Paste the command over here, then hit enter on the keyboard, and let it complete. It may take some time. So once that is complete, then restart your computer and then try updating the Windows once again. If it's updating, fine. If it is not updating, then try the second command, that is run this SFC scan. For that, again you have to type in PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, make a right click, run as administrator, then click on Yes to allow, and then paste the command over here, and then hit enter on the keyboard and let it complete. This process will also take some time. Once that is complete, restart your computer and then try updating the Windows once again. Now if that does not work, then use Windows 10 update assistance to update Windows 10. So for that, go to open any browser and then type in media creation tool in the Google search box. Just type in media creation tool. Open the first link which says download Windows 10 this image. So click on that, then use this update assistant. So click on update now. A small exe file will download. You have to run that file. Click on yes. So it will check for updates, and then it will go ahead and download the update. It will install. Once that is done, exit and then restart your computer and then try updating the Windows. So after this, I don't think you should have any more updates, but if you receive any additional update, just go ahead and update. If that does not work, then the last step is to use media creation tool. So in the same window, in the Google search box, type in media creation tool and click on the first link, and it will give you the same page over here. Then click on download tool now. Click on it to run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. agree to the terms and condition, click on accept. Now select the first option which says upgrade this PC now, then click on next. Now this process will take some time because it will download a large file, so let the download complete, and then in between the updates the computer may restart, and after that the latest version of Windows 10 should be installed in your computer. Now this process will take time, as I told you, so do not worry about that. This takes time, but it will get you the latest version of Windows 10 on your computer. So any one of the step will definitely help you fix the problem. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video, and please subscribe to my channel and help me make more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.